Welcome to MyBinding.com. This is the Rapid 550E Flat Clinch Electric Stapler. First we'll replace the staple cartridge. Press on the top button to release the clear cover. Now pull on the cartridge on the sides, but more at the top. Pull pretty hard and it'll pop out. With the new cartridge, align the bottom and push it in until it snaps in place. Place the cover back over, inserting the white tab. Push the cover down to line it in the front as well, and it should pop in place and the green light will turn on. Now insert up to 60 pages into the stapler and it will automatically staple your stack. Specific type of foot pedal, sold separately. And lastly, provided are 4 types of plug adapters, for use anywhere in the world.